Okay, here we go. Homework number 21. Newspaper poll. You know, a poll is a sample of the population. In fact, that's why they take a poll, to figure out how the entire population feels, in this case, about Donald Trump. 73% like him. That is a statistic. We're using the statistic to make an estimate about the population. Number 22. The name for the pattern of values that a statistic takes when we sample repeatedly from the same population is, well, that's a sample distribution, which is not here. It's actually on the next page. And there it is, letter E. The sample distribution of the statistic. Okay, let's look at number 23. If we take a simple random sample of size 500 from a population of 5 million, the variability of our estimate will, if you look at all these choices, the sample size stays the same. That is what affects the variability, the sample size, not the size of the population. So regardless of if we take a much bigger population from 5 million to 50 million, the variability will stay the same. Okay, the size of the population does not matter. The size of the sample does. In fact, look at number 24. Increasing the sample size of the opinion poll will reduce the variability. It gives us more accurate results, closer to the true proportion of the population. It won't affect the bias. If we ask the wrong question, it's going to remain wrong and give us the wrong answers. Anyway, letter B. There.